Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use voice effects on TikTok. Recently, you might have been seeing a lot of TikToks where the original voice has been altered. I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's get started. So first of all, open TikTok on your phone. Now first of all, let's create a TikTok. For that, you'll have to tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu of the page. Now you can record a TikTok whatever you want to. After you capture the video, you'll see this kind of page on your screen. And using these features, you can edit your video. Among all the options, you can see the second last option, that is audio editing. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll see a number of voice effects here. There's the chipmunk effect, the mic effect, and many more. You can either use these effects on the existing sound, the original sound, or you can create a voiceover and replace the original sound and then use these effects. If you want to use a voiceover, then you'll have to tap on this small circle that says replace original sound with recording. Then you can tap on the record button and start recording the voiceover. After that, you'll simply have to choose the effect that you want to use. Now, if you play the sound, you'll hear the voice effect on it. After you're done, you'll simply have to tap on the save option at the top right corner of the screen. Then on this page, tap on next. Now you can create a caption for the video and you can either save it on your drafts or post them. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.